Welcome back to another hip hop breakdown, the intermediate version. Today we got Reba and Rochelle helping me out with 4 8 counts. It's really 2 8 counts, but we're gonna break it down. Anyways, let's start from the very beginning and watch the tempo. We'll break it down real soon. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, and 2 and 3, 4. 6 and 7, 8, and then coming back. So basically the reverse of the first 2 8 count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here we go. Guys, first of all, my name is Ceech, and I love to share this dance culture of ours. Every week I post dance videos to help you improve in your dance journey. So if you could benefit from this type of video, let me know by hitting the like button. It helps out the channel more than you know. And also definitely consider subscribing if you haven't already. So getting back into it, we're going to watch this video halftime. And if you've been into my channel before, you guys know the way I break things down is we study the lower half body first, and then we combine the upper half. Here we go. So as you can tell from the previous, when you would just watch, one person will be going up, one person going down. Now, if you're just doing this by yourself, you could either choose to do the one way first or the other way. It doesn't really matter. This first move, I call this the skate and bounce. Here's a 1 and 2. Okay, I'm gonna stop it right there. Well, let's just use Reba's example and we're gonna break down. So on the 1, this is gonna be her right leg. Right leg is gonna go slide out. 1, okay? And as she's sliding out, because this is black, you really can't tell, but she is gonna bend her knee a little bit. So that's the 1 sliding out. You see her right leg, the knee is straight. You can see Rochelle's knee is really straight right there. So it's straight out. That's 1. On the end, you're coming in and straight here, coming in 1 and right on the 2, you're gonna bounce 2 and. Okay, so not only is she lifting the knee up, but there's a sinking of the hip as well. That's 1 and 2 and now the opposite leg, which is the left leg, 2 and 3 and. Okay, 2 and 3 and. So you could definitely tell that Rochelle is traveling forward while you're doing that. Okay, so first I would suggest, if this is the first time you try and do this, you don't have to travel forward or backwards. Just do it in place. So we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay. Now let's just do the entire 8 count. 5 and 6 and right there. And then 7, 8, you're just going to march, march, march. That is it. Okay. So let's bring back one more time. We got the bottom half. Now the upper body. There's really not too much to it, but there is still something. So you're going to go right on the 1. Notice on the 1, they're not exaggerating as much as I like them to be. But right here, you see how, look at Reba's shoulder. The right shoulder, the right leg that went out, the right shoulder. I want the right shoulder to turn, okay? So whichever leg's going out, you're turning 1 and 2 and 3. This should turn a little bit more. So you should see the turning of the shoulder. So that's basically what the upper body is doing. It's turning and then coming back, okay? Right there. Turning and then bounce, and then 7 and 8 and that's it. 7 and 8. Okay, so that's the first 8 count. It's really not that hard, guys. Again, you don't have to travel if you're just by yourself, but once you get it, then you can travel forward or backwards. Okay, next move, this is more like a jack in the box move where you're just pivoting on the heel of your feet. Okay, 1 and. This is very clearly, you can see the heel is the one that's placing on the ground and the toes are the one that's moving out. 2 and. Okay, so we're going to go back to 1 and 2. So you're going to do it only twice. Okay, you're going to do that 2 times. Here's the 1 and 2 and. Once you got that, what I wanted you to do is also notice the upper body. Okay, you're going to lean towards the right and then you're going to lean towards the left. So right on the 1, you're going to lean towards the right. Here we go. Lean right, then lean left. Okay, and then means you're bouncing, all right? So the knee comes up. Right knee up first, then left knee. So you lean right first, and then right knee comes up first. Check it out. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Okay? Then you're going to do it again. Lean right again. 5, 6. Now this time, you're going to bounce forward. Lean forward. 7, and 8. Relatively easy. Okay, so let's watch that one more time. So you can remember, you're going to start with the right leg. Move it to the right side. 1, 2. Right leg, left leg. Leans to the right, left. Now forward, forward. That's really it, guys. Now what we're doing is we're doing it the second time. Now this second time, everything's going to be opposite, which means we're going to start with the left leg. Okay, here we go. Let's go left leg first. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and then 7 and 8. Okay, so obviously you guys notice that they're switching lines now. So Reba, who went back first, now she's coming up. Rochelle's now going back. Okay, and last time we leaned towards the right side. Now we're gonna lean toward the left side. Just check it out. Lean toward the left, right, and then left knee, right knee. Left, right. Now you're gonna do a kickball change. Kickball change right there. Okay, that's a kickball change. And one of them is, so for Reba, she's kicking with her left leg, and Rochelle's kicking with her right leg. So guys, that is it. Thank you for joining me. And this one is our intermediate breakdown. Let's watch this one more time, just to recap. If you have this down, now it's time to do it with us. And if you made it this far, I definitely do appreciate the support by hitting that like button. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace, and I'm out.